Stop it.
Here you go. Just hold him right now.
Okay, now I want everybody to be quiet. Dad, you need to stand up.
Keep my eyes closed.
Karina, go get the package. Don't drop it.
Remember, fragile side up.
It is. Yes, please don't break it.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a little dark.
Can you see anything?
Make sure you can breathe.
Make sure you can't see
Savannah,
anything.
get that.
I got it. Don't worry.
Be quiet. I was afraid of the dark.
Yeah. Okay. So just stand there. You're gonna need to receive the.
Dad, stop peeking.
Dad, don't peek.
I'm not even peeking.
Okay. So can you see? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be quiet.
Okay. Hold on.
You know my birthday's next week. Right?
I know, but it came early. So Karina, put it down on the ground real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Well, maybe Dad can hold it out. Hold your hands out, Dad.
This, I'm holding my hands on.
Okay. Walk a little bit forward to get the package because it's a little bit heavy.
A little bit heavy. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Look.
Open. Pause it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let's go tonight.
That was awesome. Hello.
He's like, what you put this woman on me for? It's this person. Now you can say hello to everybody. Hello, everyone. Hi, Savannah.
Hi.
Okay, Savannah, say Oh. Are you surprised, honey?
Yeah.